My car started making a sound last year. Soft at first, I ignored it. Got louder and I googled it. Then I got scared, closed the tab. 3 months later, breakdown हो गया, वो भी highway पर बारिश में. The repair cost 4 times what it would have if I had gone in when the sound started. Yes, 4 times. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what not to do, which is what I did. So visit your city's Chaupaiya Member Service Center today.
Tap the link in bio to connect with your city's Chaupaiya Member Service Center.